To create a new task, hover over Tasks and click Create New Task. Enter the task subject. Enter a description of the tasks and any relevant notes, or insert scripts as required. Enter the customer name that the task is associated with, the corresponding contact, site, and associated project number if the task is associated with a project. Select from the listed cost centers. Assign the task to one or more employees or contractors. Select the corresponding priority, status, and task category. To make the task billable to customers or shown on job cards for employees, select the relevant checkboxes. To prevent email notifications from being sent to all stakeholders and assigned employees, clear the checkbox. Set the date by selecting the start date, due date, completed end date as required, and progress percentage of the task completed if required. Tasks appear on the dashboard of the assigned user on the start date. If a task due date passes and email notifications are selected and the task has not been completed, the assigned user receives an alert and email. Click Save. To assign additional stakeholders, click the Stakeholders tab and select from the available employees and contractors to add them as task stakeholders. You can also assign customer contacts as stakeholders. Stakeholders receive email updates if email notification is selected and see the task in their own task list in Simpro. Click the Attachments tab to upload any relevant attachments. Click the Notes tab to add additional notes. Click the Linked Tasks tab to select a prerequisite task or add any other dependent tasks. And click Save and Finish. To complete a due task, one of the assigned employees or contractors can complete the task. To view what tasks are assigned to you, hover over Tasks and click View. Technicians can also view their tasks in Simpro Mobile. By default, you can only view open tasks that you are assigned to. To view all open tasks, click Advanced. Under Assigned to, click Not Selected. Click and open a task. To time a task you are carrying out, click Start, and the actual time will be recorded up until you click Stop. You can start and stop to record additional time if required. Then select the status. If the task has been completed on time, select Closed. If the task is completed early, select Closed Ahead. And if the task has been completed late, select Closed Behind. When selecting a closed status, the complete date and progress are updated automatically, as well as who completed the task. If no one is manually selected, the user changing the status to closed is populated. Then click Save and Finish. To update tasks in bulk, select the relevant tasks or select all. Select who the tasks are assigned to, a different status, or change the priority or category as required, and click Update. To see tasks that have been closed, click Advanced and select Closed from the Status drop-down. View reports on closed tasks with the Task Completed report. Go to Reports and click View Reports. Then click Staff and select the Task Completed report.